Planned obsolescence. Planned obsolescence is the practice of designing products with limited lifespans to boost repeat purchases and sales volume. Loss leader. A loss leader is a pricing strategy where a product is sold below cost to boost sales of more profitable items. Vendor lock-in. Vendor lock-in refers to dependency on a vendor, making it challenging to switch to another without significant costs. Anchoring. Anchoring occurs when a product or service is shown at a high initial price before promotion, making the sale price seem like a better deal. Rebranding. Rebrand involves changing brand elements like name, logo, or image to create a new identity and perception. Forced free trial. A forced free trial is a direct marketing technique where potential buyers are sent free samples to encourage subscription. Point of sale display. Point of sale displays are promotional materials near checkout counters designed to attract customers' attention and promote products. Decoy effect. The decoy effect is the phenomenon where consumers change their preference between two options when presented with a third, less attractive option. Slow music. Supermarkets often play slow music to make shoppers feel less rushed and more likely to spend time and money in the store. Razor and blades business model. This business model involves selling one item at a low price or for free to boost sales of complementary goods, such as consumable supplies. Seeding trials. Seeding trials involve allocating marketing resources to specific customers to stimulate word of mouth. Blind taste tests. Companies use blind taste tests to compare brands, develop new products, and gather customer preferences. Subliminal advertising. Subliminal advertising uses hidden messages to boost a product's sales. Hidden advertising. Hidden advertising occurs when advertisements are not clearly marked as ads, such as an actor consistently using a particular brand. Stealth marketing. Stealth marketing subtly introduces a product to consumers without them realizing they are being marketed to. Ambush marketing. Ambush marketing involves brands associating themselves with an event without paying sponsorship fees. Foot in door technique. This technique persuades someone to accept a significant request by first gaining their agreement to a smaller, related request. Behavioral targeting. Behavioral targeting uses consumer data to match ads aligned with their interests. Call to action. A call to action is a specific prompt designed to encourage an immediate response or sale. Book signing. Book signings boost book value for collectors, with authors providing signatures and optional personalized dedications. Healthy food positioning. Supermarkets place healthy foods like fruits and vegetables at the front to encourage guilt-free shopping for less healthy items later. Channel stuffing. Channel stuffing involves pushing more products through a distribution channel than it can sell, inflating sales figures for short-term gains.
Channel stuffing. Channel stuffing involves pushing more products through a distribution channel than it can sell, inflating sales figures for short-term gains. Chemical-free marketing. Chemical-free marketing implies safety and environmental friendliness through natural ingredients, despite everything consisting of chemicals. On hold messaging. On hold messaging delivers information and branding messages to callers waiting on hold or during transfers. Doorbuster deal. A doorbuster deal is an early, limited supply offer designed to attract a large number of shoppers during opening hours. Home staging. Home staging involves preparing a home for sale by enhancing its appeal to attract potential buyers, aiming for quicker sales at higher prices. Introductory rate. An introductory rate is an initial low interest rate on a loan that later expires, leading to a regular or higher rate. Unique selling proposition. A unique selling proposition informs customers about a product's superiority compared to competitors by highlighting unique features. Tie-in work. Tie-in work involves creating fiction or products based on existing media for promotion and profit, often authorized by the original creators. Wait marketing. Wait marketing delivers promotional messages to consumers during periods of waiting, such as posters on buses and video clips at fuel pumps. Not sold in stores. Products advertised on TV or online and purchased directly from the supplier, emphasizing their novelty. Fly posting. Fly posting is a guerrilla marketing tactic where advertising posters are placed on construction site barricades, buildings, or alleyways. Word of mouth marketing. Word of mouth marketing influences or encourages word of mouth advertising through strategies like seeding and rewarding consumers. Four-wall distribution. Four-wall distribution involves renting movie theaters to receive all box office revenue, a practice common in the U.S. film industry during the late 1960s and 1970s. Free lunch. A free lunch is a meal provided at no cost, often as a sales enticement to attract customers and increase overall business revenue. Military-grade. A term military-grade is used in marketing to make a product sound high quality by claiming it meets military standards. Essentials in the back. Supermarkets place essential items at the back and far from each other, making shoppers come across other items they might buy along the way. Advertising slogan, short phrases and ads designed to create attention and support a company's marketing by highlighting product features or strengthening the brand. Annoyance factor. The annoyance factor measures at irritation to evaluate effectiveness, with intentionally annoying ads often sticking in consumers' minds. Attack-adic ads are political ads targeting opponents to discredit them through mass media and gain voter support. Celebrity branding. Celebrity branding leverages a famous person, aiming to transfer their positive image to the brand or issue.
Cereal box prize. A cereal box prize is a promotional toy or item inside or on a cereal box that serves as an incentive for kids to buy a specific breakfast cereal. Consumer-generated advertising. Consumer-generated advertising is sponsored content on platforms like blogs, forums, and social media, often including links to a sponsor's website. Co-promotion. Co-promotion is a marketing practice where multiple companies combine their sales forces to promote a product under the same brand using a single marketing strategy. Kid height. Putting things that kids would like to buy, such as candy or toys, on the lowest shelf so they can see them and ask their parents to buy them. Continuity marketing. Continuity marketing is an approach where goods or services are provided indefinitely until the customer chooses to end the relationship, improving customer retention. Cross-merchandising. Cross-merchandising is a retail practice that involves marketing or displaying products from different categories together to boost store revenue and enhance customer experience. Data onboarding. Data onboarding is the process of transferring offline data to the online environment for marketing purposes, connecting offline customer records with online users. Direct marketing. Direct marketing involves targeted communication to pre-selected customers, facilitating direct responses in contrast to mass message advertising. Outdated promotions. When you arrive at the checkout counter with an item, you're less inclined to go back and put it back if the cashier tells you the 50% sale has expired. Drip marketing. Drip marketing is a strategy that sends a series of pre-written messages to customers or prospects over time, often via email, based on recipient behavior or status. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. FUD is employed using fear, dubious, or false information to influence perception and boost sales. Earned media. Earned media is third-party content like articles and social media posts that boost brand reputation without the brand paying the creator. Small floor tiles. Supermarkets lay smaller floor tiles along aisles with more expensive stock, so the sound of your trolley wheels speeding up will encourage you to slow down and spend longer looking at the shelf items. Google bombing. Google bombing refers to the practice of causing a website to rank highly in search engine results for relevant or off-topic search terms, often for business, political, or comedic purposes. Mojave Experiment. The Mojave Experiment refers to Microsoft's 2008 campaign to improve Windows Vista's image by demonstrating it under the disguise of a new Mojave version. Merchandising. Merchandising practices enhance product sales and retail involving creative product display to attract customers. SEO. SEO involves improving a website's visibility in search engine results to attract more visitors and customers. For example, by naming the pictures on the website or using long titles.